How to find your Steam API key. To see your Steam API key, you must meet these requirements. First one is have at least spent $5 on Steam. Your account must be in good standing, which means no bans or restrictions. If you have these two things, then you can see your API key. Firstly, you need to go to steamcommunity.com. In steamcommunity.com, you need to log in using your Steam account. Here you will see a form. Fill out the form. Enter any domain name, that is localhost. You don't need to own the domain if you are just using for personal use. Agree to the terms and click on register. Once you register, your Steam API key will be displaying on the same page. Another important things are never share your API key publicly. If you think it's compromised, you can revoke it on the same page. So this is how you can get your API key on Steam. That's all for today. Thank you.